drop of water. Seems pretty insignificant. But collect those drops of water, and in a day you will have 23 gallons. That is 1/3 of the amount of water a person uses in the same time period. In the forest, a mature conifer will consume 250 gallons per day if enough water is there. Now times that number by 300 trees per acre. Times the number of acres on a mountain. Times the number of mountains in a forest, you are losing millions of gallons each year because we have let our forests get overrun with conifers. If just half of those overgrown forests were filled with aspen and meadows, we would have twice as much water returned to our watersheds. Sadly, the opposite is true. We have lost 50% of our aspen trees. Landscape-scale mechanical treatment is the only rational option left to restore our forests and, as a result, our water supply. If we don't act soon, it will be too late. Find out more about this topic at 106reforest.com.